In this SEO Mate review, I'm going to be showing you a software that has 22-in-1 SEO apps that claims to create unlimited backlinks and rank websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out SEO Mate, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says breakthrough 22-in-1 SEO app creates unlimited backlinks and ranks websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing, which gives us free buyer traffic. Instantly rank your site and embed your affiliate link to convert visitors into buyers. So they've got a bunch of claims here on this page. It says create unlimited HQ backlinks for your blogs, websites, and on autopilot, unlimited real-time traffic and sales, sell unlimited backlinks, etc., etc. Get faster indexing for all your web pages. It has multiple tools in it. So it's an SEO tool, has multiple different tools built inside of it, but I don't want you to think that like you're magically going to rank anything on the first page of Google just because you use a tool like this. It's not going to happen. It might help you rank like longer tail keywords, but you're not going to magically rank your keywords just because you use a tool. Now they show you some real income proof here. Now, I don't know how this has anything to do with this. They've made money from AdSense here. They've got some more statistics from their PayPal account. It's just income screenshots from them making money online. It has nothing to do with this. So log in and grab your copy of SEO Mate, enter the details, and then you start enjoying the free traffic and sales. That's not going to happen. So don't think that that's going to happen. I'm going to show you what this really is inside the review. So they compare this to other SEO tools out there that have different things that they do. User interface, easy to use, complex. So yeah, they say the kind of things that this does here and the kind of things that the other competitors don't do. It has unlimited website integration, unlimited backlink maker, website analytics report, competitor backlink finder, visitor analytics report, domain analysis, rank and index analysis, keyword analysis, URL shortener, malware scan, link analysis, article spinner and rewriter, plagiarism checker, all these different tools included inside of the software. So it's got a bunch of tools in it. I just don't want you guys to think that it's some magic like button that's going to make you $1 million overnight. These are things, okay, showing like that SEO is something that is definitely in demand, and it is. If you can help people out with SEO, you can make money. You could do like a Fiverr gig and provide some SEO services, that's for sure. And normally this is a one-time price, but what I want you to do is move your mouse away when you come to the page and a discount code should pop up. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. So hit that like button if you like the fact that I do this and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video that's going to explain this a little bit more and show you a few more of the tools. Unfortunately, one of them is like audio and it's like not talking through it. I'm going to come back and I'm going to talk you through it a little bit and show you all the different OTOs and the discounts. Okay, so we are back. So again, here's the backend area here. You've got all the different tools like your backlink generator, your YouTube ranking tools, your website analytics, your SEO and server tools, your thumbnail creator. You've got your tutorials in here. So they've got a bunch of different tutorials and showing you how to kind of use this. That's nice that they provide that. I mean, that's kind of expected. So they've got all these different tools that are inside here. So some of them might be ones that are useful for you, but other ones might really like be something that you're never ever going to use in your lifetime. So just be aware of that. They do have multiple OTOs. The first one here, and I'm going to show you the discounts in just a second here. So all these ones here, you're going to go through this funnel. This one says it's a 4-in-1 keyword finder. You get a backlink indexer feature with unlimited reseller rights. You remove all limits on your account. And it says you put it on autopilot, but what you're going to want to do is, as you just saw, is move your mouse away and this discount will pop up. And you can get a $20 discount, bring that price way down. Again, I make less by showing you these discounts. Hit that like button. Thank you very much. Okay, next one here is you can do the same thing on all these OTO pages. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one here is an SEO optimizer tool. Again, it's just an extra tool. Next one, move your mouse away and get a discount. 5, automated SEO done for you. Profit maker thing. What is that? Profit site? Some kind of a website for making money with. Another one, next one, move your mouse away and get a discount. This one is some kind of a money-making system. All these are optional. Next one here, move your mouse away and get a discount. You can this is the reseller license, so you can resell it and keep all the money. Next one, move your mouse away and get a discount. You can create unlimited accounts and actually sell the accounts to people. And the last one is a bunch of their past products in a big bundle. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about SEO Mate and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, those income screenshots are ridiculous on the sales page. So no need for that. You don't think that just because you use a tool like this that you're going to start making money from it. It's just a tool of like a suite of tools inside of it. It's not some magic money-making machine. What do I like about this? If there are any tools inside of here that are useful for you, it could be worth picking this up. If there's any tools that could potentially help you in your business, then consider picking this up. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at SEO Mate, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.